Hey there folks, the trail never ends. I am in Putnam Wash, which is kind of near Winkleman. This is a feeder wash for Camp Grant Wash. This is only like the second time I've been over here. I noticed this the last time, but I was running short on time and didn't get a chance to check it out. There's a little shack here next to this windmill. I think this probably has more to do with cattle than the Arizona Trail, which runs right through here. Let's go see what's inside it. You can see there's cattle over there. Well, pack rats have been here. This actually seems like fairly recent construction. You can see the cows there and they've got their water. Nice little bit of shade for those who are on the Arizona Trail. Looks like there's butterflies. Looks like there's another water tank over here. So it's an October day here in Arizona, so it's nice weather. Oh, look there, it's full of water. So yeah, this little spot, water is close to the surface. You can see the old windmill there. That's not doing anything at this point. I'm sure there's probably a solar powered pump somewhere around here. Haven't seen that yet. But yeah, just a little spot in the desert. Thought it was cool. Thought I'd let you take a look. Thanks for watching.